Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Lawson's HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lawsonproducts.okta.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the Lawson Products login portal directly. Now type in the user ID that you have set while creating your account and then click on the next button. Once you click on next, you will be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Lawson HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on need help signing in and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with Lawson's. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.